everyone, my name is Rachel and today I'm going to be talking about a food that I personally believe should be on its own category on the food pyramid, ice cream. If you're an ice cream lover like myself, you are going to love this. Now, you may already have ice cream at your own house, but have you ever wondered how ice cream is really made? Ice cream only requires 3 ingredients: sugar, milk or a cream base, and then vanilla extract for flavoring. This means that you can make ice cream anytime on your own, which is great if you don't have any ice cream at your house or if you ate it all like I did. To make ice cream, you're going to need a gallon bag, 2 quart-size bags, 4 cups of ice, half of a cup of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a cup of milk, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. As you can see, I already pre-measured them and put them all into these cups. First, we will combine the sugar, milk, and vanilla extract into one of the quart-sized bags and seal it tightly so that all the air is taken out. So I will do that right now. So we're going to open the bag. We're going to take the sugar, the milk, and the vanilla extract, and I will seal the bag. So one technique I do is I seal the bag and then I'm gonna press it and try and get all of the air out as possible from the bag. And then I'm gonna seal it tightly. Then we are going to place the sealed bag into another quart-sized bag just in case anything spills out. We don't want our ice cream to be salty today. Okay, so I'm going to put that in and seal the bag. Once again, pressing to make sure all the air is out. Now we're going to give the bag a little shake until all the ingredients are mixed together. What we now have is a homogeneous mixture or a solution. A homogeneous mixture is one where the appearance and composition is the same throughout. Notice how I cannot tell where the vanilla extract, sugar, and milk is in the mixture. This is because it's everywhere. Also notice how there is no sugar at the bottom of the bag. This is because the solute, sugar, dissolved into the solvent, milk, making the sugar molecules be spread out in the solution. Because of this, the milk, sugar, and vanilla extract is spread evenly throughout the solution. We can also see this concept whenever we make lemonade and put the sugar in. We are now going to add our ice and salt into the gallon bag. First we will add the ice, and then we're going to sprinkle the salt all in. We will now add our sealed bag with our ice cream mixture into the gallon bag and then seal it. And then also take the air out. Now's the fun part. We're going to shake the bag to get our ice cream. Now you want to make sure that you're wearing gloves, mitts, or towels wrapped around your hands so that you don't get cold. I personally will be using these handy dandy oven mitts. So now have some fun and shake the bag for 5 to 10 minutes until your ice cream is the consistency you want. I personally will be shaking the bag while jamming out to some music, so have fun while you shake your ice cream. Now while I'm shaking the bag and looking really silly, we still don't know why the solution turns to ice cream. How can the liquids that make up ice cream turn into solid? To understand this, we have to look at this from a chemistry perspective. Every substance in the world has a boiling point and a freezing point. For water, the freezing point is where liquid turns into ice, or at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Now this freezing point is really important because when adding salt to ice, the freezing point of water actually lowers. This phenomenon is called the freezing point depression. This means that in order for salt water to freeze, the temperature must be colder. We can see this process occur in our everyday lives when schools put rock salt on the sidewalks to prevent the sidewalks from getting icy in the winter. Because the ice in our bag is not at that colder temperature needed to keep the ice frozen, the ice starts to melt into liquid water. To melt the ice has to obtain heat, or energy, from its surrounding objects because energy always flows from hot to cold. And what can give us this heat? The ice cream solution. As the ice cream mixture gives its heat to the salty ice to melt, the ice cream mixture becomes colder, allowing it to become ice cream. Okay, so now we're gonna check on our ice cream. I think I shook it enough. So we're gonna go and check. If it's not the consistency you want, you can always shake it for some more time, but we'll check to see how mine is. So we carefully take out the bag, and let's see. Ooh, I think I have some ice cream here. So I'm going to pour it into my bowl. We're gonna scoop it out. I'm gonna move these over. So I have my bowl. We're gonna scoop out our ice cream into the bowl. So now we have our ice cream. And of course, you can always add toppings to it. So whatever toppings you like, you can always add to your ice cream. So I personally will be adding these sprinkles that are really good into my ice cream. I'm gonna give it a little swirl so that all the sprinkles are together. So now for the moment of truth, I'm gonna take a bite and tell you how it is. So good. And that, my friends, is how you can make delicious ice cream at your own house by using science. Go try it for yourself.